Alright, just a quick video showing what exactly is going on with this. Let's see. Just get this synced. Okay. So what happens is that motor there controlling the top rotor is making a high-pitched whine. Sometimes if I let it sit for a while and then go to use it, it'll work fine for like a split second and then crashes, spins clockwise. So I'm just going to see if I can isolate this motor again. Just make that sound. Now just switch back to both motors. That's just on the right. As you can hear that every time I try to rotate to the right, that this motor here controlling the bottom rotor is going to full power, but when I try to rotate to the left, that makes a high-pitched whine. This doesn't get enough power. The whole thing just rotates clockwise instead of taking off, or like I said, it just takes off for like a split second and crashes. Yeah.